Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Blender 3D, where we'll be tackling a piece of sleek professional hardware, a portable SSD casing inspired by the robust designs of Angelbird. We won't be modeling the internal components. The star of this video is the external shell. Why? Because it's the perfect object to demonstrate one of the most crucial concepts in high-quality 3D modeling, clean quad topology. We'll focus on maintaining a perfect flow of four-sided polygons to ensure crisp edges, smooth subdivision, and flawless deformations. So grab your coffee, fire up Blender, and let's get started on modeling this fantastic piece of gear. But before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive modeling tips, tutorials, and content just like this. It really helps the channel grow. Let's do this. And that wraps up our time-lapse build of the Angelbird portable SSD casing. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of why clean quad topology is absolutely essential when preparing models for the subdivision surface modifier. Getting the mesh flow right is the key to those perfectly smooth, professional results you see here. If you found the techniques helpful or enjoyed watching the process, please let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more 3D modeling content and tutorials. Did you try this model yourself? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.